Told you you so extra, but I know I'm the same, yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me we'll be on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side.
Okay, so now we can say hi to the vlog. And that is me.
Hi vlog. Nakasih na ladder asa video ito.
Okay,
let's go.
Let's ready.
Those are love food like you.
Can I say because a dish killer? I'm like, you know the vibes. It's so tasty. Ooh,
The vibes.
the vibes. Feel the vibes.
Ay, magtungkol. Oh. Is that?
Ay, magtungkol.
No.
Ay, bo.
Then try that.
Guys, help Franklin. Guys, please teach Franklin how to use the salt and pepper, man.
Salt and pepper. Oh, okay. No. There's no salt.
Yes, sir. You say you can die. Excellent.
Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blem, let's make amends. No, you can't, I'm out here.
Trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go on. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Told you you so extra, but I know I'm the same, yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me we'll be on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe?
Hey guys, look.
Guys is at the dentist today.
Yes, please. They must also show us their dentist. Look at how you look like. Mine? Yeah. Come on, the girl. Say hey. Aww. Let me put down my bag. Okay guys, so I'm at the dentist So she's just gonna explain quickly what we're gonna do today. Do you want me to put in your face? She said no.
So since we finished, we completed a course of antibiotics. So today we're going to continue and do a root canal treatment.
Yay! I don't know if it's painful or what, but it sounds so bougie. I'm gonna do that. Hey darlings, welcome to day 2 of this vlog. It is a Saturday morning, the 25th of September. We're just with the minions. What are you doing? Are you shy? Huh? Are you guys shy? Say hi to Mama's vlog. Daniel? Hello. So we're just heading out. It's I'll show you guys now, the weather is very gloomy, but we're heading out for the day and then we'll be back later this afternoon. Okay, I'll just take you guys along. I hope you enjoy it. So I finally got the memory cards from Incredible Connections. So this time around I bought 2 because I don't want the situation. I just want to show you guys quickly. So this is the memory card that I use. It's the SanDisk Extreme Pro and it costs 420 Namibian dollars. I think by when they have Black Friday deals, I will definitely get 2 more just so that I have extra in case something happens, something like this happens again. But I rebuke it. It's not gonna happen again, guys. I'm so sorry that I'm shaky because we're driving. Mama will help you now. There's no small knife, but I can just cut you with a small knife. Nice. Oh yeah.
away, take it away. Feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be.
Hey darlings, so it's Sunday, the 26th of September, and hubby and I are going out for dinner. It's date night today. Tonight actually, not today. So it's date night and we just came out to buy the kids dinner because I will not be cooking tonight. So we got them dinner. We're about to go drop the dinner at home and then we will go on our date. I'm so excited. Guys, if you guys remember, Friday I got my root canal done, and it's not painful. It's really not painful. Like, I don't have to take any like pain medication or anything, but I chew a lot more on this side because I can kind of feel it when I chew on this side. But other than that, I am doing well. Okay, see you guys.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make You're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just